Well, hello, prosciutto lovers. I got something for you here. And it is not prosciutto, and it is not Spanish prosciutto either. Like, prosciutto is not Italian jamon. I'm not gonna come here and be like, oh, jamon is so much better than prosciutto. No, because it's Jamon Serrano. If it was jamon iberico, though, it would be. But this is just, if you love prosciutto, give it a try. Jamon Serrano, it's gonna be just a little bit drier and saltier than prosciutto. When they are curing it, they actually let the mountain air run through the warehouses and help curing it. This is one of the most traditional meats that come from Spain. Whenever you're just trying to snack on something, one of the best pairings for this baby, and one of my favorite ones at the same time is the easier and fastest to make, it's to make a really nice pan tumaca. With the pan tumaca, you just need fresh garlic, a fresh tomato, and a crunchy baguette. Have it in your sandwiches. Pair it with some nice cheese, like the best cheese in the world, manchego. All of these slices, you can just toss it in your oven, you let them crisp up, and then you're gonna put it in your salads or as a topping in your soups. Who wants croutons when you can have crunchy jamon? I'm just saying.